Good morning, dear investors. We are really excited to have you here to show you the consolidated statements of financial position of Samsung Electronics between 2019 and 2020. So first, we are going to see the assets, and in current assets, we have some important accounts. So this one, the first one is cash and cash equivalents. As you can see, in December of 2019, we have 22,775,922. In 2020, we have 24,890,848. So this shows that we increased 8.5%. So this is good for the company because this shows and this reveal the company financial health. Then we have another important account that is called trade receivable. In this one, on December of 2019, we have 29,760,796, and in 2020 we have 26,231,413, and this shows that we decreased 13.45%. This is good because this shows that company can uh, can receive more money that other companies may be debt to them. Finally, an important account is inventories. In December of 2019, we have 22,674,661, and in 2020, we have 27,144,693. Uh, we increased 16.47%. So in 2019, this was less, and that shows that maybe the company has a better sales, has better sales on 2019.
Okay, so now we're going to explain our liabilities. We are going to explain to you based on a comparison between 2019 and 2020, just as Laura did, because it's important for you to know how the business has been managed our liabilities. So regarding the amounts, we also believe that it's relevant to explain the amounts that are the most significant ones and not to explain every single amount presented. But if you have any question and if you want to ask a specific account, you just feel free to ask for anything you want to know. So the company's current liabilities, as you can see here, increased by 15.64%. They went from 54,034,062 in 2019 to 64,046,074 in 2020, which is largely due to the increase in accumulated expenses that come from the investigation and development strategy that we have been implemented. So also, as you can see, the accumulated expenses account increased from 16,400,108 in 2019 to 20,610,947 in 2020, which means an increase of 20%, which is really significant for us, and that's why we decided to share it with you. Laura, can you just roll down a little bit, please? So here, as you can see, on the contrary, the non-current liabilities account only present an increase of 2,000%, which is really positive for the company because we are not getting into long term debt, which is good. So here, for example, you see in 2019, we present non-current liabilities for 21,941,764, while in 2020, the amount was 22,604,252, thus presenting an increase of 2.93%, which again shows that we are really just stepping away from the banks and financing our business with sales and everything related to our operation. So this is all we have for you for today. If you have any question or if you want to get more information about a specific account, just feel free to ask anything you want. And thank you for listening to us.